Also in section 6.6, we'll talk about the area of a triangle. Now we've already talked about area of a triangle using trig. That was where we had A equals 1/2 AB times sine of C. Here, we use all three sides instead of any angles. So this goes into section 6.6 because you're talking about triangles that have all three sides. It doesn't really completely tie in with law of cosines very well, but it does tie into the concept of all the triangles. So this is also called Heron's formula. Okay. Now Heron's formula is taking a value of S, which is the semi-perimeter of a triangle, because perimeter you're adding up all the sides, so A plus B plus C, and then dividing that by 2, so that's a semi-perimeter, using that S value and taking the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So it's the difference of all your sides compared to your semi-perimeter. So let's do an example here. Example 1 says find the area of the given triangle. You have A is 6, B is 10, and C is 14. So here, if I want to find the area, I first need to use this formula. So 6 plus 10 plus 14. That gives me 30. So 1/2 of 30 is 15. So now, when I want to find the area, I need to take 15 times 15 minus each side. So 15 minus 6, 15 minus 10, and 15 minus 14. So now, reducing that, 15 times 15 minus 6 is 9, and then 15 minus 10 is 5, and then 15 minus 14 is 1. Okay? So then here I have 15 times 45. If I work my factor trees, I get 3, 5, 9, 5, 3, 3. So there's a pair. There's a pair. Okay, so I could pull that out and make 15 square root of 3. And that would be units squared. So if I wanted an exact value for my area, I could leave it like that. Usually they'll ask for the approximation or want the approximation. So multiplying this out would be 15 times square root of 3. That would give you a value of 25.98 units squared, since we didn't have any units. Okay? So that's basically all there is to Heron's formula for that. I just didn't want to, there's a time limit on the video, so I wanted to put this in a separate video so that I had plenty of time to talk about it. Okay? Have fun.